Which is the most beautiful bird in the world? Who could possibly answer this question? Nobody, because majority of birds in this world are beautiful. However, some species have definitely striking features which could outrank the rest. So here I have a list of 10 beautiful birds in the world. So first we have hyacinth macaw. With an impressive length of 100 cm, hyacinth macaw is the largest of all flying species of parrots in the world. They inhabit the semi-open areas and savanna grasslands of northern Brazil. Their population have been declined in the past few years. Today, less than 5,000 hyacinth macaws are left in the world. Habitat loss and hunting are the main threats to hyacinth macaws. Besides the large size, hyacinth macaw is also famous for their striking cobalt blue plumage with bright yellow rings around the eyes. Due to this stunning coloration, hyacinth macaws are also called as blue macaws. They also have a beautiful tail and strong and curved black bill. With proper training, hyacinth macaws could be excellent pets. To make them comfortable, you should also give them a lot of space. They are very playful and not so good at imitating words like some other members of the macaw family. You should be aware of the powerful bill of hyacinth macaws. It can't be guaranteed that they won't bite you even with proper caring and training. The hyacinth macaws also can be extremely loud when they are in group. Next we have wood ducks. Wood duck is probably the most stunningly colorful waterfowl in the world. The male bird has a metallic purplish green head and crest. Their belly is white and chest is dark red. Along the neck, they have attractive narrow white strips. Their wings are patterned blue and black. Female wood ducks are not so colorful as males. They have grey-brown head, white belly, and white speckled breast. Wood ducks inhabit the marshes, wooded swamps, and streams across North America. With unique coloration and shape, the wood ducks are also one of the most easily recognizable birds in the North America. Unlike other waterfowls, wood ducks nest in tree holes and form flocks. Next we have the Bohemian waxwing. Bohemian waxwing is a medium-sized songbird with distinctive crested head and black masks. They are brownish-grey overall and wings have white and yellow edging. Thus, Bohemian waxwing is among the most beautiful passerine birds in the world. Bohemian waxwings inhabit the boreal forest across North America and Eurasia, mostly in Canada and Alaska. In winter, they migrate in large flocks to the northwest parts of the United States. They nest on tree branches. Both male and female Bohemian waxwings are known for their high-pitched calls. They mainly feed on insects and berries. Next we have blue jay. Blue jays are one of the most intelligent and beautiful birds in the world. They are found across the forests of eastern and central North America. The blue jays have stunning blue, white, and black plumage. The most distinguishing feature of this songbird is its noisy JJ-like calls. They can also imitate the call of other species of birds. Besides the striking appearance, blue jays are famous for their intelligence. They may steal nestlings and eggs of other birds. Blue jays also mimic the voice of hawks to deceive other birds. It is said to blue jays in captivity also could mimic human speech and the voice of other pets. Blue jays are social birds that are found in small flocks, but in winter, during migration to the south, they form large flocks of hundreds of blue jays. Their migration behavior still remains a mystery among scientists. Not all blue jays migrate during winter, some birds remain in their natural territory. Also, no blue jays migrate every year. Next we have Atlantic puffin. Atlantic puffin is a small, well-adapted seabird that are found across the coast of North United States and eastern Canada. Atlantic puffins are also known as sea parrot due to their huge multicolored bill and penguin-like coloration. Atlantic puffins spend most of their lives on sea. Their water-resistant feathers keep their body warm while swimming. They flap their wings to swim on the surface and underwater. Atlantic puffins have excellent diving capability. They can reach up to 60 meters on diving. They typically hunt sand eels, capelins, and hakes. Atlantic puffins are also excellent flyers. They can reach a speed of 55 miles an hour by flapping wings up to 400 times per minute. Atlantic puffins can load between 10 to 30 fishes in their huge beaks. This bird is absolutely amazing. Next we have keel bill toucan. Keel-billed toucan is among the birds with the most amazing bills in the world. They have huge multicolored beak that will reach up to 20 cm in length. Due to their colorful bill, keel-billed toucan is also known as rainbow-billed toucan. Their beak is a mixture of green, red and yellow colors. In spite of heavy appearance, beak of the keel-billed toucan is hollow and light. It is made up of one type of proteins called keratin. They use this large colorful beak to attract female during the breeding season and also as a defensive weapon. This beautiful bird inhabit the forest across Central and South America. They have a length of 20 cm and weigh up to 4 kg. Their plumage is mostly black with a yellow throat and chest. Keel-billed toucans are poor flyers due to their heavy wings. They can only move between the tree branches by hopping. Keel-billed toucans are very social birds. They form small flocks that contain up to 30 birds. They live in either natural or woodpecker-made holes in trees. Their diet mainly consists of insects, lizards, and eggs. Next we have peacock. I'm sure most of you must know about this bird. Peacock is actually the name of male bird of peafowl family. There are 3 types of peafowls in the world: Indian, Congo, and green peafowl. The Indian peafowls are the most common type of peafowls found around the world. Peacocks are renowned for their colorful display of iridescent tail features. Peacocks can grow up to 5 feet in length, which makes it one of the largest flying birds in the world. In fact, the long tail of a peacock makes 60% of its total length. The colorful tail feather display of peacocks is probably the most beautiful courtship display among bird family. On courtship display, peacock spread out its enormous tail feathers to display the colorful patterns and eye spots. Some peacocks have a lengthy tail and more eye spots than others. The female peafowl or peahen also chooses a peacock with lengthy tail and more eye spots. Depending on the angle of reflection of light, color of the tail feathers of peacocks looks different. Next we have flamingo. Flamingo is mostly the most recognizable wading bird in the world. The stunning red-purple colored plumage itself makes flamingos so special among birds. There are 6 different species of flamingos in the world. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. An adult flamingo measures up to 4 to 5 feet in length and 3.6 kg in weight. Their neck is long and lean and has a distinctive downward bend beak. The legs of flamingos are also very long, measuring between 30 to 50 inches. The long leg and specially adapted beak led them to catch small fishes, larvae and plankton from the mud. Flamingos live in large colonies that include thousands of members. Their striking red-purple color is due to the food they eat. Their diet mainly consists of brined shrimp, plankton and blue-green algae. Flamingo also spends hours on oil up their plumage from the special glands using their plumage. It helps them to keep their plumage always in a good condition. Next we have scarlet macaws. Scarlet macaw is one of the most beautiful and largest member of macaw family. They inhabit in humid evergreen forest across Central and South America. They are famous for their colorful plumage. They have bright red plumage with a blue back. Their upper wings are yellow and edged with green color. The strong curved beak is another noticeable feature of a scarlet macaw. Its upper part is white and the tip is black. An adult scarlet macaw has a length between 80 to 90 cm and weighs up to 1.5 kg. They are excellent flyers and can reach up to a speed of 35 miles per hour. Scarlet macaws also live for a long time. They have a lifespan of 40 to 50 years. It is said to be the scarlet macaws in captivity can live up to 75 years. The magnificent scarlet macaw is also among the most intelligent birds in the world. In captivity, they can easily learn words, sounds, and tricks. It is said to be a well-trained scarlet macaw could even distinguish the colors and shapes. Scarlet macaws are also very loud parrots. They make different types of voices such as screeches and squawks. Their diet mainly consists of nuts, seeds, and insects. With a strong, curved beak, scarlet macaws can easily break any nuts. And lastly, we have golden peasants. Golden peasants are famous for their brilliant colored plumage. They have a beautiful golden yellow crest tipped with red. Their underpart is bright red and face. Sides and throat are rusty tan. The wattle of golden peasant is yellow and its upper back is green. They also have dark red shoulder feathers and a long pale brown tail. The male golden peasants are more colorful than females. They have distinctive scarlet breasts and flanks. The central tail feathers also have striking black spots. Unlike male peasants, females have a duller mottled brown plumage. Golden peasants live in the dense forests and woodlands across western and central China. Male golden peasants are longer than females. An adult male normally has a length up to 42 inches. Interestingly, the tail accounts for two-thirds of its total body length. Golden peasants are poor flyers and spend most of their time on the ground. They mainly feed on berries, seeds, and insects. I think this is a very beautiful bird with a golden color. There are about 10,000 species of birds in the world. Each species is unique in many ways. They differ in the beauty of plumage, size, call, migrating behavior, courtship displays, and feeding. So, when talking about the most beautiful birds in the world, different people have different opinions because beauty is the mind of the beholder. Thanks for watching.